Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. So, firstly, let's start with disabling all unnecessary features. To do it, just open the control panel on your device. And as you can see, here we have enabled Wi-Fi. If you have inserted the SIM card, so maybe you have enabled the mobile internet, newbie share and other features. So we need to disable all unnecessary features right now. So if you are using mobile internet but not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi. If you are not using mobile internet but using the Wi-Fi, disable the mobile internet. So disable the Bluetooth if you are not using, I don't know, Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth devices right now. Disable nearby share if you don't want to send any apps, any files for other Android devices. Disable the Dolby Atmos and disable the location services. But as you can see, I have no location services here. To find it, you need to click on the HardReset button and click Edit buttons. Here you need to find location services, but I don't know why I have no location services right now. Maybe I have it, but I'm not identified. Maybe this device have no. Oh, okay, it's here. Location services. I don't know why I don't see it. So click on location services to disable it and click close. In this way you will disable location services in your device, because if you don't need to use maps right now, just disable location services, because it's constantly searching for GPRS signal from satellite signal and it reducing your battery power. Then open the settings application and find here, and of course you can reduce screen brightness because you have really large screen. This is LCD screen, and dark mode will not help you to improve your battery life, but if you will reduce the screen brightness of your screen, it will improve your battery life. Great. Now scroll down, find display here, scroll down again, and as you can see here we have screensaver. I suggest to disable it and click none. Go back and go back again. Okay, it's here. Scroll down and find battery and device care. Choose battery here, and here you will see power saving mode. You can enable it, and in the battery saver mode our device will live longer, but you can disable it. Open power saving mode settings and choose limit apps and home screen. Go back and now enable your battery saver mode, and in this mode of course you will be able to use only 10 applications in the same time, but in this mode your smartphone, your tablet will live longer than 1 week, so it's really great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.